Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to wipe Google Photos. Open Google Photos application. Then you need to, firstly, if you use mobile version, I recommend you to click at the three dots at the right top. Then set layout to months and also stack similar photos. After that you can select by months, or you can just select the first photo and just move your finger down. And you will select you need to select all your photos. So let's say like this, and then click at the trash. Move to trash. After that, go to Collections, Trash, Select, and Delete all. And delete permanently. You will remove them permanently, so you cannot restore them. After that, click at the profile icon at the right top, go to Backup, and disable Backup. Then we can finally remove this application. So firstly I will show you how to do this on Android and then on iOS. On some Android phones you can remove this application, on some, like on mine, I cannot. But we can disable this app. We can turn off it, so go to the settings. Then you need to find apps. I have it at the beginning, you may have it at the bottom or in the middle, it depends of the phone. Tap at the apps line. You can also use search and you can write apps here and then tap at the apps line here. Now we need to find Google Photos. Right here I have it, so I can click on it, but if you need to click see all and then or scroll down and find Google Photos, or use the search and write Google, let's write Photos. So tap on it, then go firstly to Storage and Cache, click Clear Cache and then Clear Storage. Then force tap and disable. And we just turn off this application. And now let's move to the iPhone. So on iPhone, again, you need to open the application, disable backup, and then just press and hold at the Google Photos application, remove app and delete app. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.